For our top of the Premier League after a 0-0 draw against Manchester United. One clear now of City. It was a strange old match at Old Trafford. And I kind of re-emphasise something we've been discussing of late, Stevie, about how that front three aren't as threatening going forward as they have been in the past. In fact, these numbers summing up incredibly well. Look at the difference, 30 goals compared to this time last season. 30 goals and assists the difference.
I think the first one's an obvious one. Teams are defending deeper against that front three, and so there's less space. And with the pace they have and the brains they have, they would exploit that. So I think that's the clearest one. The other one is the front three last year, particularly. At different periods, they lost a bit of form.
Right.
But it seems like all three are losing form at the same time right now. And the most obvious one for me is Salah. I mean, I have never seen him. I've never seen his first touch so bad.
And it's not just today, is it?
No, this has been going on for the last at least 3 or 4 weeks. You know, everything's bouncing off him. He's passing to the opposition more than I mean, every single thing that could go wrong for him is going wrong right now. And unfortunately, for the other two, it's pretty much the same.
And Klopp knows it, because if you watch him on the side, he's just getting more and more frustrated with several of the players about the tempo, about their passing, about their positioning, and you could just see him. And it was a great opportunity because, yeah, it was a big rivalry, but this was the walking wounded.
Well, United made 3 substitutions in the first half because of injuries.
And Rashford was struggling.
They were playing with 10 men pretty
on.
much when they in the second half. So you thought, right, Liverpool would get the game by the scruff of the neck and go, right, let's do it, it's our chance. But that never came.
Do you know the biggest thing? As bad as the game was, you know the strangest thing is, Daniel Sturridge came on for Liverpool. I mean, seriously, would Daniel Sturridge get a game in any other Premier League team? Would he? I don't think he would.
The other side of this poor performance from Liverpool is that Tottenham Hotspur missed a trick.
Exactly.
But this result.
Yeah, that's very true as well. Of course, for United, they fell out of the top 4 after Arsenal's win against Saints, yet still favourite to be there at the end of the season.